Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi. Tire? Do you know how to change a tire? Do you think you should know? You know, my man, it's a skill that every driver should know, man. Imagine one day you got flat tire and you have to change it. No one else, it's only you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Do it yourself. You want to know how? Watch me. Alright, now you're ready. You're ready to change your tire. You have that willingness to change the tire. Put in your heart, yes, me, I'm gonna change the tire. So what you need now? You need the key. Why? To open the trunk. Most of the car, they keep the jack inside the trunk. I got Nissan Sunny and it's inside the trunk. Should be like that. Never forgot about the safety. If you're driving transmission, automatic transmission, yeah, make sure it's on P and pull up the handbrake. Okay, what is your jack? Is okay. Usually it will be under the carpet. Okay, mine, I got it over there, and that's the spare tire. All right, and it's the handle. And your wrench. Keep everything ready. Right, you got your tools ready. You got a jack. You got a handle. You got a wrench. Now you have to find where you have to put your jack. Let me show you. Every car is different, so refer to your owner manuals, but usually it's just right here. If you see, there's gonna be two place here, uneven place, when you have to put your jack in. Before you jack up the car, you need to loosen up the lugs nut. Alright, I will start from down, across to the top, right and left. Okay, just loosen up. It's hard, but put your body weight on it. It's like two twists. Go to the top. Oops, that's happening. Step on it. All right. A bit to the right side. Let's try to kick it. Put your body weight on it. Oh yeah. Right. Another one. Oh yeah. There you go. All right. Like use my hand first, okay? Just make sure it's hit the right spot. Right, get your handle and do it counter clock. Keep a good gap between your tire and the surface so you have a good clearance when you pull out the tire. Alright, as all the bolt has been loosened up, you can just easily turn it counterclock. Right. Let's just open it. Don't lose your bolt, okay? And one more thing, you see this bolt, okay? These sides will go in, and the flat one, it will be outside. Alright, when you install your car back, just make sure this side in, the flat one outside. Once you got all the bolt out, brace yourself, okay? It might heavy, okay? Just leave it up. You can use your legs to help as a support. Boom! And it's out. Alright, you got this spare tire ready, yeah? Now you're gonna put it in the same way you put it out, just on the reverse way. Okay, put the bolt first. Head tight. Use your finger, your hand to tighten it up a little bit before you use your wrench. All set, and use your wrench here. You're gonna do it clockwise. Okay. So I got 4 bolts. I start from the top. And then I go to the opposite side. Right side, and the other opposite side. And you just try to make it tight, make sure it's tight, yeah. Once all the lug nuts, the bolt is hand tightened by you, now we're gonna lower the car by turning the jack counterclock that side, right? It will be a lot easier when you lower it. After that, you want to make sure the bolt is tight by using your body weight. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and the last one. Yeah, all done. Can you do it? Yes.